Set 6.4, seventh example, a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9 divided by 25a square minus 1. These are the four terms, first, second, third and fourth. You have to find out the factors separately of all the four terms. If not possible, then don't find out the factors. So I will take this first term, a cube minus 27, and this is a cube is the perfect cube of a and 27 is the perfect cube of 3. So you have to say that you have to utilize the identity a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is equal to, you have to take a, and b is equal to, you have to take 3. And you have to put the value a cube minus 3 cube is equal to a minus 3 in one bracket, a square plus a into b means a into 3 plus b square means 3 square. So you have to do the square. A minus 3 as it is you have to write. You have to write this as a square plus 3a plus 9. This 3 multiplied by a is equal to 3a. 3 3s are 9. Then you have to take the factors, find out the factors of 5a square minus 16a plus 3. 5a square minus 16a plus 3. This is the quadratic equation. Do the product. Find out the factors by the factorization method. So what you have to do, this do the product of the first term and last term. 5a square multiplied by 3 is equal to 15a square. Find out the factors of 15a square such that the sum of the factor has to come the middle term. So I will write the factors of this 15 as 15 ones are 15. This middle term is minus 16a. At that time I will write this as minus 15a minus 1a is equal to minus 16a. So if once we will get the factors of this middle term minus 16a as minus 15a minus 1a, so write this minus 16a as minus 15a minus 1a. First term as it is you have to write, last term as it is you have to write. Do the group of the first two term, do the group of the last two term. Write the first two term in product form. 5 square you will write 5 into a into a. 15a you will write as 3 into 5 into a. This 1a you will write as 1 into a. And this 3 you will write as 1 into 3. Then this within first two terms you have to take out 5a common, and if 5a will come common, at that time a minus 3 is remain in the bracket. Then from the last two term, no term is ready to come common, at that time 1 is the common. So 1 you have to take out common. If 1 will come common, at that time this outside the bracket, if you will take out minus sign common, at that time this sign plus becomes minus and this becomes a minus 3. Then at this step you have to take out the this bracket has to come same and this one is coming same. So a minus 3 you have to take out common. At that time 5 minus 1 you have to write in another bracket. Then the factors of 5 square minus 16a plus 3 is equal to a minus 3 in one bracket, 5 minus 1 in another bracket. Then friends, you have to a square plus 3a plus 9. The factors of this a square plus 3a plus 9 is not possible. So you have to keep this as it is. Then you have to find out the 25a square minus 1. Factors of 25a square minus 1 is 25a square is the perfect square of 5a. So I will write this as 5a bracket square and this one as 1 square. Then you have to utilize the identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. A is equal to, you have to take 5, b is equal to, you have to take 1, and this you will write 5 square minus 1 square is equal to 5 plus 1 in one bracket and 5 minus 1 in another bracket. 5 square is 25 square, 1 square is 1. Then 25 square minus 1 factors is 5 plus 1 in one bracket and 5 minus 1 in another bracket. Then friends, you have to write this same example here. Then you have to write this a cube minus 27 in the factorized form. A minus 3, a square plus 3a plus 9. Factors of this 5 square minus 16a plus 3 is a minus 3 and 5 minus 1 divided by, as it is, a square plus 3a plus 9. The factors are not possible, so you have to write as it is. Then 25 square minus 1. 25 square minus 1 factors are 5 plus 1 in one bracket and 5 minus 1 in another bracket. Then this division you have to write in the form of multiplication. The opposite of the division is multiplication, and you have to write it this in reciprocal form. This denominator will go to the numerator and numerator will come to the denominator, and you have to write this as this denominator you have to write in the numerator and numerator you have to write in the denominator. After that you have to see that which are the like term. This a square plus 3a plus 9 and a square plus 3a plus 9 is the same term. In the numerator and denominator you have to cancel that term. This 5 minus 1 will cancel with 5 minus 1. This a minus 3 will cancel with a minus 3. At that time what is remain? Here only this term is remain. 5 plus 1. So after solving this equation we will get answer 5 plus 1. I think you understand all these things. So write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.